Hi guys, today I'm back with another little quick craft. So I'm still going through this packet that I got from AliExpress of blank charms, and today I've pulled out those beautiful little leaves. So there was 4 of those in that pack. So I thought, why not make those into earrings? So I have laid down some tape, some UV tape, and I've stuck them down, and I have got my UV resin ready. I've added to the UV resin just a jade colored glitter that I have. Right. So all I'm going to do is try and carefully fill up this charm. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my UV lamp now, and I'm going to put these under for 2 minutes this side, and then while they're still stuck to that tape, I'm going to flip them over and do 2 minutes from the other side. Okay, so they've had the 2 minutes each side. So now we're going to carefully pull back the tape. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? It's so quick and easy. Okay, let me get some jump rings. Well, actually I might just put some hooks on these, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it guys, the finished product. Aren't they so nice? So I've just added a hook to make them into a really quick and easy pair of earrings, which is so stunning. Well, thanks for watching guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye guys.